Happy Monday here from One Hot Bite. Melissa, we are going to make the greatest week with the greatest appetizer you've ever had. So those of you that have ever had, well, let me tell you exactly what it is. It is bruschetta with a peach salsa and warm brie cheese. I mean, doesn't that just sound so yummy to your tummy? We are going to make this today. Again, I'm kind of working on the peaches because they are in season in my area and they grow all around me. They're delicious, they're juicy, and they're easy to get. So and they're cheap right now. So that's always nice. So we're going to go ahead and whip together our salsa first. Those of you that don't know what bruschetta is like a little toastette, usually with garlic and olive oil with tomatoes and herbs and things on top. We're spinning it again because here we are with me, and we are going to do the toastettes with the warm brie cheese and top it with this incredibly sweet and crispy peach salsa. So let's go ahead and whip together our salsa really quick, and then we'll put together our bread. So let's get going. Before I forget, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Give me some likes and comments. I love to have you all here. I'm super thankful for every one of you that are here, and thank you to all my new subscribers and my old subscribers. But anyhow, let's get cooking. The first thing we need is to peel, because we don't want any of the skin on these. We're going to peel our peaches really quick and dice them up nice and fine. Well, not super fine, but the whole idea with a salsa, a fruit salsa, is you want a little tang, you want a little sweet, and this one we're going to add a little crunch. So our sweet is our peaches. Our tang, we're going to have some lime juice. And for our texture, our crunch, we're going to have red bell pepper. Of course, every salsa isn't complete without green onion. Okay, now we're going to squeeze our lime. Couple of tricks: muscle it down and squeeze it and get the juices going, or stick it in your microwave for 20 to 30 seconds on high heat, let it cool a minute, and then go ahead and squeeze it. Okay, so the reason I put a little sugar in there, like you saw, and a little bit of the ground red pepper. So sugar is actually going to bring out more of the sweetness of the peaches. I know peaches are already sweet, but let me tell you, if you haven't had peaches with a little sugar marinated on it, you're missing out, because it really makes it incredible. Try it over ice cream, you won't be sorry. And the ground red pepper, we're just doing a dash of that. You can use that any way you want. That's just to add that little bit of spice and that little heat in the back of the sweet. So heat and sweet. So now we're gonna cut up our beautiful baguette that we got today. And I'm gonna show you how we're gonna cut this, and we're gonna get the cheese on. Okay, so our baguette, we want to cut into points. We're gonna cut at a 45-degree angle. And we're gonna cut these long, beautiful points. So that way we have a longer avenue for our salsa. Okay, a little secret with the Brie cheese. This is a petite breakfast Brie. I put it in the freezer for about 20 minutes before so that I can easily slice it without it being too soft, because as you know, Brie is a very soft cheese. So having it in the freezer for a little bit makes it much easier to slice. So get this sliced up. Okay, our broiler is on. We're gonna lay out our toastettes. And we're not going to use full slices on each one. All right, let's broil these for 3 minutes. Okay, our toastettes are out. The cheese is melty. They're very warm. We're going to top them with there you have it, a quick little appetizer all summer long. You could probably even pull these off in the winter with a different fruit. We'll get to some of those. But before we get going any further, let's give it a taste. We have all the yummy flavors. The peaches are so sweet. That creaminess of the cheese and the bread together, so good. The bread is so good. And it's toasted. Anyhow, I love you guys. Have a wonderful Monday. Have a wonderful week. Let's keep cooking this awesome things. I'm gonna keep trying to show you guys the lighter side of things and how lighter and healthier doesn't mean no flavor. So I'm gonna really keep trying to bring that to you guys, and we'll splurge every now and then. But I love you. I'll see you Thursday.